The human body contains over 200 distinct cell types, each with specific roles in maintaining physiological functions. As we age, many of these cells undergo senescence or functional decline, which contributes to the onset and progression of chronic diseases. Based on over 14 years of research, our findings suggest that the combination of molecular hydrogen and oxygen therapy, when administered alongside proper nutritional support, may help counteract cellular aging processes and potentially reverse the pathophysiological changes associated with senescence. When we talk about the therapeutic benefits of hydrogen-oxygen therapy, we're referring to how the specific gas mixture supports cellular health, reduces oxidative stress, and helps restore physiological balance across multiple systems in the body. At the core of our body's energy production lies the mitochondria, which is often referred to as the powerhouses of our cells. These organelles generate ATP, which is the energy currency of our body. However, under conditions of poor diet, chronic stress, pollution, radiation exposure, or even aging, mitochondria becomes dysfunctional and leads to reduced ATP production and the accumulation of reactive oxygen species, or free radicals. When free radicals are produced excessively and are not neutralized efficiently, they trigger oxidative stress and damage key cellular components like proteins, lipids, and DNA. This is a root mechanism in the development of many chronic diseases, including neurodegeneration, cardiovascular diseases, cancer, and metabolic disorders. Hydrogen plays a key role in neutralizing the most harmful free radicals, especially hydroxyl radicals and peroxide nitrite. These radicals are extremely reactive and destructive, but molecular hydrogen can selectively target and reduce them. For example, hydroxyl radicals react with hydrogen to form water. Peroxide nitrite reacts with hydrogen to break down into less toxic substances. The selective antioxidant action makes hydrogen unique. It doesn't neutralize all free radicals, which is crucial because some free radicals play important roles in normal cell signaling. Hydrogen also exhibits anti-inflammatory properties by modulating pathways like NF-kappa B and LRP3, which are responsible for the production of pro-inflammatory cytokines like IL-6 and TNF-alpha. By doing so, hydrogen helps dampen chronic inflammation that underlies many diseases. Additionally, hydrogen supports oxygen delivery and utilization. In combination with oxygen therapy, hydrogen enhances mitochondrial respiration and improves oxygen efficiency at the cellular level, crucial for tissues that are prone to hypoxia. This dual action, neutralizing harmful radicals while supporting oxygen metabolism, helps break the vicious cycle of oxidative damage, inflammation, and mitochondrial failure. The 66% oxygen to 33% hydrogen gas mixture, often referred to as the golden ratio, is selected to optimize therapeutic benefit while avoiding the physiological risks associated with both hypoxia and hyperoxia. While oxygen is essential for cellular respiration, excessive oxygen concentrations have been associated with oxygen toxicity, which can lead to oxidative stress, inflammation, and tissue damage, particularly in the central nervous systems and lungs. Conversely, inadequate oxygen supply can compromise mitochondrial function and induce hypoxic conditions that are implicated in tumor and chronic disease progression. Hydrogen gas, though known for its selective antioxidative and anti-inflammatory properties, should not be inhaled in isolation via standard hydrogen gas generators. Most hydrogen generators deliver a fixed hydrogen output, which when mixed with ambient air, results in an effective oxygen concentration of only 18.9%, a level well below physiological norms and within the hypoxic threshold. By enriching the mixture to include 66% oxygen alongside 33% hydrogen, the resulting fraction of inspired oxygen reaches approximately 25%, which is safely above hypoxic levels but well below toxicity thresholds. This formulation supports both cellular oxygenation and the protective effects of molecular hydrogen without compromising respiratory homeostasis. In short, hydrogen-oxygen therapy supports the body's natural balance between oxidation and reduction, restoring mitochondrial function, reducing inflammation, and supporting tissue repair. This makes it a promising non-invasive tool for managing complex chronic conditions.